Hey, South Africa, as a father, husband, and a man, you have a lot on your mind and thinking about safety of your family, safety of yourself, safety of your household. And in our country, let's be honest, we don't always have the answers because of what's going on in our country with very high crime rates. We can disagree on a lot of things, but crime is very high in our country. Now, we don't have to live in fear. But I'm so thankful for companies like CSS that is now in 7 provinces across South Africa that helps protect communities, help protect businesses, help protect schools. And it just gives me some peace of mind knowing that there's companies that's standing in the midst, that if you have to pick up the phone right now and say, hey, there's trouble at my business, there's trouble in the middle of the night at my house, I need help, that companies like this, CSS, will be available to assist you. I want to invite you, contact them today for amazing security services and really affordable prices and rates. Contact them, speak to them. And South Africa, let's be honest about one thing. We need to take our safety serious. We need to take the safety of our families and our businesses and our properties serious. Speak to CSS today, and I really endorse them because it's a company that cares for communities.